What's up YouTube, welcome to another video from my channel. I'm Ankit Banerjee and you're watching It's Your Fiker Ankit. Now today I'm at Speed Kawasaki Kolkata and I'm here to give a walk around video upon the Versys 650. Now without further ado, let's hit the video. As you can see, this is the Versys 650 and this is the adventure tourer in the Kawasaki's 650cc lineup of motorcycles. So you can see it's a very big motorcycle and you have this very sharp looking, angry looking front fascia of this motorcycle with integrated winglets, and you have this huge travel for the front suspension, and this is the 41mm inverted telescopic forks. So you have this dual 300mm disc setup with Nissin calipers. This is the front tire, which is 17 incher and 120 section front tire with which is Dunlop, and then you have this very good metallic green and metallic black finish all over it, and this is the Kawasaki Versys badging. Then you also have the pedometer frame here, and this is the 650cc engine which produces about 65 horsepower and 62 Newton meters of torque. It's a parallel twin engine with liquid cooling. You can see the radiator here, and this is a very bold looking motorcycle that I'm saying number of times. So it has this 21-liter fuel tank which gives it a fabulous range for long touring, and you have this side mounted offset monoshock with aluminium swing arm. Now coming to the rear tire has 160 section. Now you have the 230mm rear disc brake with Nissin calipers. Then this is the tail of the motorcycle with smoked tail. I will lift this up and show you. Now coming to the seat height is pretty high on this motorcycle, so it's at 840mm, but the seat quality and the cushion is just amazing, and this is a huge seat with this kind of back support, and this is the pillion seat is again very nicely cushioned and it's very beautiful with this big grab rails. This is some of the exposed frame here, and then you have this sari guard which doesn't look good at all. Then you have the open chain system. Now the front forks are from Showa, so they are preload adjustable, as you can see here, as well as adjustable for tension. That's the thing. So it's a versatile forks that you get here. Then you have the bulb indicators, and this motorcycle has dual channel ABS. Now coming to the windscreen of this motorcycle, so this is a very huge windscreen that you can see. It actually does a very good job, and it's actually adjustable but not electronically, so you need to take out these bolts in order to move it up. So that's the thing, but it's a very good setup here already. And then you have the instrument cluster here with this handlebar which is really wide, and it actually provides very good leverage. Now let me switch on the motorcycle. So yeah, this is the speedometer here with analog tachometer. Then you have the digital speedometer, gear position indicator, clock, range, and then you have the fuel meter, the heat gauge, the shift light, and all the tail lights. Now you have the navigation button here. Now this navigation button changes the trip A, trip B, kilometer per liter, average kilometer per liter, range, And back to Odo. Now coming to the switch gear are of very good quality. You have the engine kill switch, the ignition switch, you have the hazard lamp, then you have the upper dipper, then you have the pass light, this is the indicators, this is the horn, you have the adjustable clutch lever, you have the adjustable brake lever. Now the tank is a metal tank here, so you can mount magnetic tank backs upon it, and just look at the color, how beautiful it looks. Let me show you the motorcycle from the front. So you have these pilot lamps on both the ends of the headlight with these bulb indicators, and let me show you from the back. So it looks like this from the back, and it's a very beautiful design. It's very bold, and it will attract a lot of head, no doubt. Now let's crank up the motorcycle and hear how it sounds. The underbelly exhaust. So that was the sound of the Versys 650. So guys, that was my walk around video upon the Versys 650, and this is the adventure tourer from Kawasaki that I told, and its price at rupees 7,08,000 ex showroom, which is a pretty good price for this powerful machine. So it's one of the most powerful adventure tourer that you can buy under 8-9 lakh rupees. So that's the thing. Now this is a very good motorcycle, you can of course consider it, and you can come to Speed Kawasaki in order to inquire for this motorcycle if you are staying at Kolkata or nearby places. So this is Ankit Banerjee signing off. Hope you like the video. So like, share and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.